Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Chevy Silverado, the K1500 LTZ. This does have a rebuilt, rebranded title because it did have it wasn't an accident. That's cosmetic damage only, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection, and it's also passed the state of Utah safety inspection. These LEDs that are flashing, the camera refresh rate makes them look like they're flashing, but they're not. To the human eye, they look solid. It does have the two red tow hitches right there in the front. Closer shot of the engine. Give that a listen. Okay, let's go ahead and put the hood down and I'll take you for a tour. As you can see, it's silver. Has the red sport stripes on the rims. The dual Nerf bars. It does have the steps on the bumper. And a tow package. Here's the backup light. It does have a rhino type lining with 4 tie downs, 1 in each corner, and a sliding glass window. Again, it is a Silverado. Can't even hear it running on the outside. Okay, it does have the Bose sound system and the Z71 off-road package. Here are the adjustments for the driver's seat. There are your driver presets, your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. These are retractable mirrors. Come in here, here's your towing adjustment. 2, 4 low, 4 high, and your lighting. Let's go ahead and hop up in here and I'll show you the instrument panel. 15,947 is what it's reading. Right down here you have your cruise control, your push to talk, and your other stereo toggling so that you can control your stereo from your steering wheel without taking your hands from the steering wheel. There you've got your OnStar enabled mirror. Up here you have your door controls, your other home controls, and right here you have your sliding back window controls. This seat right behind me does fold down into an armrest and cup holder. It's all black leather interior. The glove compartments are very spacious in this model. And here's your audio with your CD and AM FM radio. You also have your nav. Once you connect to your phone, you have these other phone options, and then also you have your backup camera. Come down here, and here are some other driving presets for your lane assist, your parking assist, your cargo light, your brake assist, and your hill settings. These are all power supplies. As you come down here in the center console, you have additional storage and cup holders. You have additional power supplies inside this, and a phone holder. So there you have it. Again, the Z71 package. Just wanted to show you the VIN before we finished up. Okay, that is the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado K1500 LTZ. Has the 5.3 liter engine, 16 valve, has rear wheel drive and a 4x4. For additional inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.